How to remove clips from the media pool in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the media pool where all your clips are listed. You will see every video, audio or image you imported for your editing work. Next, find the clip or clips you want to remove. You can click on a single clip to select it or hold the Ctrl key to select multiple clips at once. After selecting the clips, right-click on one of them. A menu will pop up with different options. Look for the option that says Remove Selected Clips. When you do this, the clips will be deleted from the media pool, but don't worry, the original files on your computer will stay safe. This only removes them from the project. Remember, if the clips are already placed in your timeline, removing them from the media pool will affect them. It's better to check your timeline before you remove anything just to be safe. If you accidentally remove a clip, you can always add it back by importing it again into the media pool. Finally, using this method helps keep your media pool clean and organized, especially when you work on bigger projects with many clips. And that's it. Now you know how to remove clips from the media pool in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.